Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Libras. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking few cards for your daily energies and for your love energies, guys. And I'll be picking few cards about your situation. Then I'll be taking few cards for the message from your person, guys. So let us start the reading now. Let's see what is coming up. King of Swords. Eight of Swords, the World, Knight of Cups, Ten of Cups. Libras, with these cards, I feel you have some kind of you feel tied down and you are not in a clear state of mind to take some decisions. Something is you feel something is blocking you from reaching your goals, and maybe you feel you need to do some corrections on your part to make things work to your benefit, guys. But and you also feel this may be in your work or in your relationship, guys. And you also feel some people are talking behind your back, spreading some kind of wild rumors about you. Maybe they are gossiping about you, and you are feeling really irritated and sad because of that. And that is the energy here, guys. But with this card, I feel you are going to overcome that energy, guys, that negative energy. Some person is coming to you with an important communication that may be quite emotional way of communication, guys. You may feel emotional because something is going to you are going to overcome this negative energy, maybe. So because of this communication, and you're going to feel happy and perfect about your state. Maybe this gossip and this people talking behind you, maybe some wild rumors, guys, and you are believing it. So now you're going to overcome it with this message. That may be the energy here. Your person has a very good feeling about you. They want a good committed relationship, and they may even want to get married to you. But some kind of gossips or some kind of misleading informations on your part or on your person's part, this energy may be vice versa, guys, maybe blocking you both from moving into this happy relationship, guys. So today I feel those blocks are going to be disappear. Those blocks are just going to disappear today, and you are going to overcome this negative vibrations or negative situations, whatever you're having, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Libras, from the other set of cards. What is the reason for this kind of gossip or this negative situation? Ring, key, ring, Libras. With these cards, I feel This relationship has a very good, you have that very good romantic quotient, that attraction is there, and you feel very safe, secure and stable in this relationship, and you feel your person is devoted to you. So maybe this gossiping, maybe because people are jealous of you guys. They may be just jealous of you guys, some friends or family, someone in your family or in your friend circle. They may be just jealous because the relationship you have with this person stands for loyalty, trust, happiness, love and affection and compatibility, and they are really feeling jealous because of that, guys. They are just envying you guys. So that may be the energy here. And with this card, I feel it's a very positive card, guys. This key, you are protecting your destiny. So whatever is destined to happen in your life, you are going to find the means to reach that destiny, to do it in your life. It just gives you empowerment or strength for you to find the path to reach your destiny in your life or in your relationship, guys. So that is the energy here, guys. You will find the missing piece, what you need to take this relationship forward. It just gives you security wherever you are, and it gives you strength in your heart and courage to overcome all the obstacles you're facing, guys. So people being jealous of your connection, they may be trying to separate you, they may be spreading wild gossips about you, but you need to understand the truth behind things, and I'm sure you will get to know the truth behind these talks, this third hand informations circulating around you, and you will have the resolution to work your destiny, guys. So whatever is destined to happen will happen. If this relationship is moving towards a marriage or a strong commitment, no one will be able to separate you guys through some wild gossips. So that is the energy here, Libras. So let us pick few cards for this message from your person. Let us see what is coming up, what your person feels about this connection, guys. The way you walk, talk, smile or laugh, even cry just melts my heart. You are simply irresistible. You make me laugh constantly. So this person really feels at home with you guys, and in this relationship they are really happy that things are going this way, and they have a great attraction towards you, and in this relationship they feel that great compatibility with you, and they are happy to be there in this relationship with you guys, and they are devoted to you. They admire you for whatever you are, for your great aspirations you have in life and your position in life, maybe your profession. They love you, how skilled and able you are in your work and how you manage things, and they love you for your abilities, guys, and they feel very what to say, safe and secure in this relationship with you. So that is the way they feel about this relationship, guys. That is the reading for today, Libras. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.